Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for always coming back. In this today's video, we'll be talking about some passive ways of earning income for corporate workers. So if you're a corporate worker or you are about to be a corporate worker, you want to watch this video till the very end. As corporate workers, sometimes we do not really have all the time because our 9 to 5 jobs, it really takes up most of our times, but we still need to earn more money or have multiple or other ways of earning income apart from that 9 to 5 salary. I mean, it shouldn't just end there. There should be an avenue that you use. It should be a tool that you use. Your salary is a tool that you will use to actually have other multiple streams of income. And so this is just for us, the 9 to 5 workers, other ways or passive ways of earning income without our involvement, without our time, our sweat, our labor, our effort. If you're interested in content like this, kindly watch the very end. Subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and subscribe now and turn on the bell notification sign so that you'll be notified anytime I do upload videos. I upload videos every week, so do watch out for my videos every week, God willing, and share with your family and friends if you find this information very useful. Let's delve right into today's video. The very first way that you can earn passive income as a 9 to 5 salary earner is to go into stock investing. You use products on a daily basis, okay? And these products are having stocks or they're having, I mean, these companies of the products that you use are having stocks on the stock exchange market. And so the very best way you can actually start earning apart from a 9 to 5 salary is to buy shares of companies that use their products on a daily basis. If this product you've been using it and it has been in existence for a very long time, it is a very good way to cash in and buy stocks from that company. And so, in whatever country you find yourself, you can find out if that company is listed on the stock exchange market of your country and start buying stocks or shares of that company. Don't just be a consumer, but rather graduate from just being a consumer to being a part owner. Being an owner is where you will be paid. So you can gain from in stock investing, you can gain from being paying dividends, let's say quarterly, annually, depending on the company. And you can also gain from capital gains or appreciation. If you bought the stock at, let's say, one Ghana cedis or whatever currency you bought it, in some years to come, it's going to really increase. Let's say from 3 Ghana cedis, 5 Ghana cedis. So, for instance, you bought it for 1 Ghana cedis and it's now 3 Ghana cedis. You have gained 2 Ghana cedis and you didn't have to do any work. You just bought the shares of the company and you keep gaining dividends and capital appreciation as time goes on. And so you want to really check out buying stocks of companies. Do your due diligence of researching before you put your money into investment. The second way you can earn passively is through social media. Having content online, like having a YouTube channel, creating content of relevant matters of that are going to bring value to people or that are going to provide solution to people, and you realize you upload these videos and from years and some years and years to come you are going to be paid as more people are viewing those content. And so in your free time, you can create content as 9 to 5 worker and open a YouTube channel and put up content and be consistent with it. And it will really pay off from some time to come in the future. The three passive way of earning income is to build a rental property or to buy a rental property. To buy a property actually and rent it out. You did the job once of building or buying that property and renting it out to tenants from years and years to come. You are going to get paid every month or every year as and when you want payments to be done. And so it's also a very good way of earning money passively. For guys, if you're very versed, you are an expert in a particular field, let's say in finance, in relationship, um, in marriages, money matters, personal finance, whatever be it, in sports, whatever knowledge you have, you can have a one-on-one section of consultancy with people and get paid off. Some people charge per hour and all that. They really pay. People are paying a lot to be having consultations with or one-on-one sessions with consultants. And so in your free time or maybe during the weekends, you can also do this kind of job and it will pay off for you. Number five way you can earn passively is to write a book. Write a book that really solves people's problems. It provides information and knowledge that will go a long way to solve people's problems. And if people find value in what you have written or brought out in the book, in some years to come, even when you are dead, you're still going to be earning from that book. And so it's also a very good way of earning income. Another way is to have courses online, e-courses. You have courses online that people can purchase in particular fields. Whatever big field you have, you have something, something that others don't have, but put it together in a course and sell it online that people can purchase and also have knowledge and expertise. It's going to really go a long way to pay you off in the future. They just did the job once, and from years and years to come, people are going to be paying for that particular course. Lastly, guys, is having a podcast or podcasting. It's also a very good way of having people, the experts, and really sharing knowledge, showing more light about specific fields and areas of life that people would be interested in. And so it's also a very good way of earning income. What other way do you think that we can earn income apart from the ones that I have not mentioned here? On this channel, we are all learning, and so we would definitely like to hear from you in the comment section down below. Share your thoughts about these avenues that we can earn passively. And if it has been useful to you, kindly give me a massive thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do also check out my previous videos and watch out for the next one. God bless and keep us all. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. It's bye for now.